Hello everyone, my name is Rolex and I'm here to share my personal experiences about the Employability Summer Camp Festival of Success, what it's all about. So yeah, basically it's targeted to final year students because generally the sentiment is, say if you're a student, you'd want to know what's in store for you, what's next. Yes, I'm finishing my studies, so what's the next step to take? So there's a lot of soul searching involved, self introspection, and speculations as well. You're not sure what's coming next or what step you should take. So the fantastic team from the Careers Hub or Employability team from LSBU, they are there to give you the necessary information. For instance, it could be polishing up your CV, improving your LinkedIn profile, and sort of like tailoring your CV specifically to the job title that you are seeking. So this helps you to be well prepared, especially for those who want to venture into the labor market, so that they are more presentable. They know what they want, and also their prospective employers will see that, okay, this one is the horse for the course. This is the one we're looking for because of the well presentation you would have provided. So then also there's also a postgraduate study. Of course, you can consider that maybe you've just recently finished your undergrad, and if you were planning to continue for your postgraduate, could be masters, etc., then certainly that kind of information is available to you as well. So then the most other important aspects, you have to knowing about your commercial awareness. How well do you know? For instance, this could be like if you have been previously passionate about joining a certain company, working for them because you admire them or their values and principles, you could sort of like follow them and get to know how they are structured from the bottom up, and you'll be well informed. For instance, when you go for an interview, you sort of like ace it because the person interviewing you will actually tell that you know what you're talking about, and you know their company right to their core, which I'm sure is a really big advantage when it comes to these competitive interviews that we encounter. And also as well, the employability team, they also help you prepare for the interviews, to prepare for the questions that may arise, and how to answer them appropriately, to ensure that nothing surprises you in an interview. You're not caught off guard, and of course, practice makes perfect, as we all know. So I'm sure that helps you to be more confident when stepping into an interview. And also, the most important aspect to get from this is that the Careers Hub team, they have your back, so you don't need to worry about what should I do, I'm not yet sure. You can always contact them, and they'll give you enough information you need, even if it's let's say for instance you need practice with interviews. You can always book an appointment with them, and they will arrange it for you and make sure that they're always there for you each and every step of the way. So this is the most important aspects that I myself obtained from the Employability Summer Camp Festival of Success. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you also join it and follow it on your respective social media platforms, and see what's in store for you, because you never know until you try. You have to try, and that's only when you can be certain that they're like a guiding beacon that will direct you towards the trajectory, the appropriate trajectory that you want to take, and help you to get there. So they've got a lot of support, that needs to be used, to be taken advantage of. It's at our disposal and it's for free. You don't even have to pay anything or any subscription at all. They are there to help you to make sure that indeed you enjoy the fruits of the festival of success. Thank you very much for listening and have a great day.